Hello user, we in our some previous demo we discussed about how we can connect filter with a visualization, but in this demo we are briefly going to discuss how we can attach filter with our visualization. So for attaching visualization, you can create any thing from first, like you can create your visualization first, or you can create your filter first. But if you are creating but visualization and filter have to a proper name and it's compulsory. So in this demo we are using our previous demo visualization that we created in our previous demo. So you can see we have two visualization. First visualization and second visualization we already discussed in our some previous demo how we can edit name of this visualization. But again I want to show you, you can go to here and you can change the name of visualization again. And now again you can see here our all filter list are now blank. Okay. Oh, is blank. So now we have to create filter. That filter we attach with this visualization. So go in filter page and like visualization dashboard, you have to enable your edit mode, and that filter you want to create, and that filter you have to choose from here and you have to click on that filter. So in this demo I am going to use our range filter. So click on the filter and it created a grid for you, and it has three buttons, and already we discussed about all buttons in our previous demo. So directly I'm focusing in this demo for only on query button. So here uh, you can click on query button and here you can paste SQL that is required to create a range filter UI. So already I have my SQL that I already tested it. So here you can pass that SQL and click on vendor. So it's created a range filter UI. But one thing that is very important, if you want to attach any filter with any visualization, on that time the database should be same. The database connection should be same for filter and visualization. Again I want to show you, I am using this database that we already we used in our previous demo. Okay, and that database using by a connection that we already created from here, and we attach this connection with this report. In that report we are working on here. So click here. So our visualization is created, so you can move it also. You can size also, but it's not recommended in a filter to resize UI because it's already proper UI. So you can directly you can save it and you can reload it. So now if you want to attach a filter with visualization, you have to give a proper name to this filter. So again enable your edit mode and go to in this visual button, and here you can give a specific name. So I want to give a name here. So video demo range filter. So that is very important to give the right name like this for only filter. So for visualization, it's not compulsory. You can write any type of type of name, but for a filter it's compulsory to write a filter name like this here. You can see it, because we have to pass this name in a visual query, so it's compulsory to write name like this. Okay, and again, you can choose your filter. In that filter you want to use, choose your visualization. In that visualization you want to use this filter. So I want to choose, I'm choosing my both two visualization here, and you can save it now. And after save it, you can again save it now. Now you can see it's showing name that you name edit it here or give us, and now it's already clicked because you all choose this. And if you want to unchoose, then you can unselect it also and you can save it. Okay, again you can see, again because I want to choose my both, so save it. Now I'm copying this name, so go to in your visualization dashboard, that you can check filter, your filter name. Now if you want to use the filter with this visualization, you have to create this filter. So for that, just you have to edit, enable mode, enable edit mode, and click on this filter name, and it will create a grid for you. And after this you can click on render, and it created that filter UI. So again you can save it, and if you reload it, so you can see it's permanent, it's not temporary. Now because I want to pass this filter value, I want to attach the filter with this visualization, so I have to edit this filter, this visualization query. So click on edit mode, means enable edit mode of this visualization dashboard, and go to here in SQL query, in query pop-ups of visualization, and here you can write condition, that condition you want to attach. So I'm writing where, where price. So it's depend on you what type of condition you want to write. So because just I want to box a simple condition for testing. So where price is greater than so if you want to pass filter value here, so you have to write name like this. You have to in you have to pass dollar, and after this you can pass filter name. You have to enter filter name, and that value you want to pass here. Means if you want to minimum value, you have to pass in a 0, and if you want to pass max value, you have to pass here 1, like it. But I want to pass on here minimum value, so I'm writing this, and after this you can save it, and again you have to click on render. So like you can see now it's blank, so we can check it why it's blank. Okay, so now if you move it, now it's showing, means so for why it's in 40 is blank, is in 43 it's showing, but it's 40 is blank, so we can check it because we attached condition in 40. So you can see it, so you can see all value here you can find 40, but more than 40. Oh, okay, our condition is greater than 40. You can see here our condition is greater than 40, means price is more have to greater than this range minimum value, but our range minimum value if is 40, then you can see here we don't have any record like this. So if we move it, okay, and if we move it minimum is 50, you can see apple orange 2. You can check it, apple 50, apple 65, oh, apple 50, and orange 50, orange 40. So you can see it. And now if we, I want to pass this value also in this filter, so you can again you can add, have to edit this visualization SQL query. So I want to pass here where price between between now just copy it, because I don't want to write it manually. Okay, no, and condition. Okay, and okay, now here, okay, and I should it work and finish it. Click on window. Okay, now it's working. So I have to check it now. I save it also. Move if I, okay, if I move it, if I move it, okay, okay. So now you can see it's working. So like this, you can pass multiple value of multiple filter. Like here, if we create another filter, so you can pass value of this filter value in this visualization. But for that, you have to change in this visualization SQL query, and that's all in this filter. Again, we will discuss about some feature of Nimble BI application in our next demo.